In this video, we are going to discuss about the intraday stocks for 17th September 2021, which is Friday. Look at Nifty 50 chart. We discussed about this range, which was 17,200 on the downside and 17,525 on the upside. Now that range was broken decisively and was closed near that range. So now 17,525 is acting as support, and instead of 17,200 on the downside, we have 7,525 on the upside and now 18,000 on the upside. So 18,000 is the next level, and we can expect 17,525 on the downside and 18,036 on the upside. So that is the range, new range in which Nifty is expected to trade, but it can come, correct a bit, take support, but 18,036 is the next higher level to achieve for Nifty. So coming to 1 hour chart, you can see that it is extremely bullish. After giving breakout, it just went up and now halting near the top. So on the downside, there are numerous supports. 17,525 is the support, major support now, and 17,700 is the next level that would come if Nifty stays positive. Now if tomorrow Nifty opens flat, now you can see that it went up continuously, so this is going to act as support. Now it is coming a little bit down, so if it comes down, it is going to take support near 17,600, below which 17,560 would be another support, and if it tries to go up, then 17,680 is going to act as strong resistance. Now this is the range in which Nifty is likely to trade, 17,560 on the downside and 17,680 on the upside. So now let's look at Bank Nifty. You can see it's a huge candle today it has made. It has performed huge, and SBI and IndusInd Bank, these are the two stocks that contributed to the most of the rally. Now we talked about this range, which it has broke decisively and is now resting near the high of this candle. Now it is resting near all-time high, so all-time high definitely is going to be tested, and 3600 838 is the next resistance, the next hurdle for Bank Nifty at this moment. Now if we come to 1 hour chart, you can see that it has continuously went up without any minor, even not a single minor retracement. So it may come down before giving a breakout, and 37,500 is going to act as support at this moment, and 38,000 is going to be the resistance, the proper resistance from where Bank Nifty may reverse. Now tomorrow if it opens flat, then chances are that it would continue its up move, and 17,838 level can be seen tomorrow itself. On the downside, there are numerous support, and 37,500 is going to act as the strong support on the downside. The first stock is HDFC Life. Now you can see that it is kind of a double top formation which has been broken and it closed there, and now it is continuing its up move with consolidation. So if this high is broken, then we can buy above 756 with 5 to 6 point stop loss and 1:2 target on the upside. The next stock is Biocon. You can see that it has given an extensive rally, then it tried to come down, but it is again giving a breakout. So if the breakout happens, then we can buy above 379 with 3 point stop loss and 1:2 target on the upside. The next stock is JSW Steel. Now you can see it fell, now making a higher high and then consolidating. It fell again, making a lower low, and now is resting near the low. So if this low is taken out, we can buy, so we can sell below 688 with 3 to 4 point stop loss and 1:2 target on the downside. The next stock is Colpal. Now you can see that this is a lower low, it fell, made a lower low, and now made again a lower high and coming down. So it's a lower high formation, and if this low is taken out again, then 1715 below which we can sell with 5 to 7 point stop loss and 1:2 target on the downside. So these are the stocks for tomorrow, and the levels will be provided on the Instagram, and the Instagram link is given in the description below. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.